One of the first questions homeowners ask after getting a new roof, or when they're thinking about replacing one, is, how long is my shingle roof going to last? The answer isn't as simple as a number. While manufacturers advertise 30-year shingles, the actual lifespan of your roof depends on much more than the shingles themselves. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today, I'll explain how long asphalt shingle roofs really last, what affects their lifespan, and how you can get the most out of your roofing investment. Let's get into it. How long does an asphalt shingle roof last? On average, a properly installed asphalt shingle roof lasts around 20 years. However, there are 3 types of asphalt shingles, and each one has its own lifespan. 3-tab asphalt shingles are the cheapest and most inferior asphalt shingles, which gives them the shortest lifespan. A 3-tab asphalt shingle roof should last around 15 to a maximum of 20 years. Architectural, also called dimensional, asphalt shingles are the standard in the roofing industry. They come with a manufacturer's stated lifespan of 30 years, but it's more realistic for an architectural asphalt roof to last around 20 to 25 years. Luxury asphalt shingles are the premium asphalt shingle option. They're larger, more durable, and offer the highest curb appeal, and are the most expensive type of asphalt shingle. A luxury asphalt shingle should last around 30 and up to 50 years in the right conditions. What has the biggest impact on roof lifespan? Many homeowners think the shingles determine how long a roof lasts. While they're certainly important, they're only one piece of that puzzle. The biggest factors include shingle quality, the quality of the installation, your local climate and weather, attic ventilation, and routine roof maintenance. At the end of the day, an asphalt shingle roof is only as strong as the installation quality, system supporting it, and keeping it maintained. How can you make your asphalt roof last longer? While every roof will eventually need replacing, there are several things homeowners can do to maximize its lifespan. Keeping your gutters clean so water drains properly, removing leaves and debris from the roof, trim back tree branches that hang over your home, have your roof inspected after major storms, schedule periodic professional roof inspections to catch small problems before they become expensive repairs. Preventative maintenance is one of the easiest ways to protect your roofing investment. How do you know it's time for a new roof? Age is one factor, but it isn't the only one. Some common signs that your asphalt roof may be nearing the end of its life include missing or damaged shingles, curling or cracked shingles, granules collecting in your gutter and winding up on your driveway or sidewalk, frequent roof leaks, visible storm damage. If your roof is approaching 20 years and you're noticing these issues, it's a good idea to have it professionally evaluated. Summary of the key points. Most asphalt shingle roofs last somewhere between 15 and 30 years. Installation quality, ventilation, weather, and maintenance all affect the lifespan. A complete roof system performs better than shingles alone. Regular maintenance and inspections can help maximize the life of your roof. Knowing the warning signs can help you plan for a replacement before major problems occur. An asphalt shingle roof is a significant investment, and understanding what affects its lifespan can help you get the most value out of it. While no roof lasts forever, choosing quality materials, proper installation, and staying on top of maintenance can help your roof protect your home for decades. If you want to learn more about asphalt shingles, roof replacements, or how to maximize the life of your roof system, visit our website at BillRaganRoofing.com. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. I'll see you on the next one.